This is an insanely modified 2023 BMW M340i, and this is a stock 320i. So today we are gonna have the most unfair comparison in the history of comparisons. So this car, as you can see, it's fully wrapped. It has a full carbon fiber body kit, front lip, grille, side skirts, spoiler, diffuser, sitting on BBS wheels, AP racing brakes, KW V3 suspension, absolutely insane. And this car also has some modifications done to the engine, as you can see. The 320i comes with a B48 engine, which is 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged, making 180 horsepower. And this car is absolutely stock. It's just, there's nothing done to it. Comes straight from the factory on the road. And this car, just have a look at that. So the M340i comes with a B58 engine, which is 6 cylinders, 3 liters, with a single turbocharger, which makes 380 horsepower stock. But this car is nowhere near stock. This car has a FTP charge pipe, Venturi intake, and a catless downpipe. And it has a Bootmod Stage 2 tune on it. Right now making 450 horsepower to the wheels. More than double what the 320 is making. It's gonna be so much fun comparing these two cars side by side. I'm so excited about that. Now let's go ahead and take these cars out on a drive and see if they feel any different. The spoilers, they're different. They're very different. What's all the fuss about, right? It's basically a 3 Series. So the first thing that you notice when you start driving this 340i is that it's pretty similar to the 320, but all the carbon and this beautiful steering wheel, that everything that's been modified in this interior look makes it look so much more aggressive and so much better. The Harman Kardon sound system is absolutely amazing. I can't play anything for you guys, but it's so much better. The speakers in the 320 are just bad. Other than that, this car has an exhaust. It has an M Performance exhaust and a catless downpipe. So all the burbles and all the noises is just such a different experience. It's amazing. I'm at doing 2000 RPM right now, and I'm really enjoying the experience. The car is very responsive and it's on Comfort Plus. So let's go ahead and put the car in sport and see how it does, you know. KW V3 suspension is very firm but very nice at the same time. I absolutely love it. We're gonna put the car in sport. Oh my God, that is. Another thing is that you have a Sports Plus mode in this car. Oh my God. Holy sh! Yeah, I did not expect that. I drove this specific car before without the Stage 2 on it. It did not feel like this. It did not feel like this. Well, how do you feel, bro?
The G-force, I was like
it's
stuck
insane.
to my feet. It's crazy.
Wow. Holy shit, man. Wow. Okay. I need to calm down.
Calm down.
It's okay. Let's do a first gear pull, because that was a second gear pull. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We just broke the speed limit in. And these brakes, oh my God, AP Racing for the win.
What?
Bro, what do you think if I sell both cars? I may be able to barely afford this one if I eat ramen for months. I mean, we don't need food, right? As long as we have fuel.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me? I'm using Sport Plus.
Okay.
This is the less.
The tune you press. Hold on to this for some time. You see the RPM will change. Now it's level 2.
Okay.
Now you go to level 3.
Oh, that was the chill tune.
That was a chill one.
Bro, I thought it would be similar to stock.
So, oh no.
No.
Different.
No. So apparently we were on a chill tune, and now
That
we
was
are
a
on the.
chill tune?
That was the chill tune. So we are gonna go aggressive now. Wow. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
How am I getting torque steer in an all-wheel drive car? Are you kidding me? Okay. And these brakes, oh my God, they're amazing. This and the G80 are the last good BMWs ever made. It can't get any better than this with all this electric hybrid bullshit. The only other two cars that I've absolutely loved like this are the A63 M6 and the E36, bro. Okay, we are in the 320i. Shouldn't be that big of a difference, right? The car on?
Yeah, it's on.
I mean, I have AC, but there's no noise. Sports, we don't have Sports Plus. It looks very similar. I mean, we have the same graphics. Should be as fast, right? Just as fast. Yeah, I don't want my back end to slip out. Brace yourself.
Ready? Okay.
I mean, the seat belt chime is louder than the engine and the exhaust combined. Let's put it in sports gear as well, right? So the gear shift. I don't think the pedal is working, bro. That was disappointing. I guess that's what happens when you compare the most economical version of a car to a little less economical version of the car. But wow, let's do it one more time. Anyways, the interior, pretty simple. It's supposed to look the same, but since it's not modified, there's no carbon, there's no nice Alcantara steering wheel, so it's pretty basic, to be honest. Now we are gonna do a rolling race in the car's most sportiest settings. I think I'm very confident that I'm gonna at least keep up with him, because they are both 3 series after all, right? It can't be too different. You wanna bet on it?
No thanks.
Yeah, I really kept up with him.
Here you go.
I'm gonna go first gear. 1, 2, 3. He's left the country before I can get out of first gear. Wow. Okay, now the question becomes, why am I doing such a stupid test? Because obviously a fully modified, top of the line spec of a car is gonna be better than a base model, family friendly. Bro, my ears hurt. Let's go. I'm gonna go and then you come whenever you feel comfortable. Have your tea first. 1, 2, 3. That's crazy, bro.
No way.
That's not even funny, bro. We're just bullying the 320 at this point. We've seen enough. That car sounds so nice. I just love the sound of BMW inline 6s. It's absolutely amazing. BMW makes the best inline sixes. So should you go ahead and spend twice the money to get a 340 instead of a 320? Yeah, absolutely. Don't just skip the 320. Just at whatever cost, skip the 320. Spend double the money. It's not that much, right? It's just money grows on trees. Take a little bit and get a 340. God damn it! Don't just. I mean, if you're looking for economy, I guess.